Hey guys, welcome back. This is going to be day number 6 and part 2 of our Amber Cove adventure. Today we're going to be going on waterfalls. If you haven't checked out our previous video, make sure to check that one out.
Thank you. Take it out of the thing for now. Bananas. Well, how fuck am I supposed to buy something if I'm not allowed to bring it home?
Right?
That one feels good.
I just stepped on a rock and it kind of hurt.
That one feels better. Like Greg. Right? Hey, Greg. Fathead. Look like Fathead. Hey, do you think it's the same as a fishing
Oh no, there's a horse.
Drink from the water. He probably did. Oh, that looks so majestic. That's like a picture you'd find at the store. Yeah.
Okay. An adventure. Say hello. Ooh, I almost fell.
You know what looks like trouble with tongue.
We are walking to the waterfall now. Ooh, my little daddy. Lots of stumps. Stairs. More stairs. Ooh. Look at the stage. More stairs. What's the? Show the elevation.
Here. Stop for a sec.
Wait, hold on.
I'll take a picture of Deb as well.
I'm dying. We can't see it. Okay, I got it. Dying. Still walking. What is the incline?
We're at 186. Yeah, 186 feet.
Okay. Still walking.
Watch out for this barbed wire. Cactuses. Get your ass. Grab me one so I can floss.
Let's see. You can't really tell how high.
260 feet of elevation. I'd say about now we're halfway. Thank you.
Thanks for that.
Thanks for that. I would be like, keep my money, I'm going no further.
That is a very far drop, guys. My calves are on fire.
That shit down.
That's the original.
They said fuck that. Yeah.
Look up. That's far stuff.
Congratulations, familia.
Dying.
Ay, ay, ay. Primo, vamos que ya llegamos. Ay, ay, ay.
Halfway.
Oh, fuck.
5 more minutes.
El Gringo don't do this. Yeah, but, I mean, mine, it's been the same where you guys have been like 12 feet.
We're at the top.
What is that?
How are you guys feeling?
Good. Well, Mount Everest is past right now with an elevation of 17,000 feet.
Israel?
Well, you know, being that I just walked up 3 miles up the side of a hill, almost fell 3 times.
David twisted his
My right
ankle.
foot is broken.
You look to your left, you see some trees.
2 more trees.
Hey. Monkey cage up there.
Yeah, right there. So they put the prisoners.
That's the thing I keep David at. They fucking put David in there.
Put you in there, bro.
Ow! Ow!
Wait, why are we going so down?
Before the fish becomes you.
You know, this whole video, your guys' commentary is going to be just random quotes.
Yeah. All right, we're going down to the waterfall right now. That zip line don't look safe. Oh, it's that up there. I was like, that little wire ain't looking too hot. We can hear the water now. Cannot visualize it.
Tell me, we got a guy here quicker?
Alright guys, we'll see you when we're in the water.
Holy shit, dude. Are you guys ready to go?
I'm ready.
So there's a lady getting some medical attention, so we're just waiting. We're just waiting.
Yeah.
Waiting our turn to get in.
Claro, y la llave. Ahora anda, llena todo de agua allá abajo. De agua. I forgot to piss. Let's go, let's go. Dolphin dive. How was it?
Good.
That water feels good. Let's go, Davey.
My little baby. These nuts.
Feels good.
All right, you guys.
Hey, we can go down this one.
Can we? Oh. I thought you were for real.
You want to die? I'll take that challenge.
This looks sketchy as fuck.
Well, this is not nice on the feet. Sideways, go sideways.
Family figure now. Family figure. Come on, Dave. Ooh, that shit cold.
It's so deep. I can't touch right here. My helmet keeps going down.
I gotta fix these fucking horns like that.
Hell yeah. He crossed the swords up in his bitch. This is badass. Yeah. Fucking awesome. This is more fit. All right. Oh shit, you wait. I will die. So, we can't touch. It's super deep. Oh, I feel so much better now. Now that I pissed. Oh, yeah. Oh, so much better. That's cool. Hey, you seen the guy? He's like, I don't know how to swim. Hey, let's get a picture of me forward. Hey, I want to go down that 20-foot slide. I won't be the first or the last to touch here. That shit's smooth. Right here.
Hey, after this.
Oh, that's nice. Oh. I would say don't go that way. He's gonna try to jump you.
Need my ankles.
I'm afraid I'm gonna find out.
I don't live in this country.
Yeah.
What's your thoughts on this? Tell me your thoughts. How do you feel?
This water feels good.
Feel like fish.
Valid.
This is height compared to where
Going back down.
Oh shit.
careful. Fuck around and step off. This is deep right here. Dude. You might want to sit. Like old boy sit right there.
It's not super deep, but just gonna. Yeah, you know.
Worming. So many worms in the club.
I did the worm outside the beer.
Oh shit. God damn. It's deep as fuck. It's pushing me. Anestina gone. Anestina gone. Where'd you go? Where'd you go?
It's deep.
Where'd you go? Oh, I can't. Oh shit. David's down. David's down. Come on over. Oh shit. Here. Oh yeah! How was that? Hell yeah! Jesus!
Go down.
I was like, I don't want the big tattoo.
The memory.
Hey, I'll
Oh, okay, yeah. Okay. This one looks rough. Okay.
Oh, somebody jumped. Do you see him jump? I don't think that's an option for us. Is that Davey? Oh, there he is. Hey, we chased corn before we came down. Look, I'm Spider-Man. He just wait for home.
Where'd it go? Where'd it go? What you look like? What you look like? What you look like?
Hey, yo, how was that one?
I did a 360 in that picture. The best $13 we spent in a long time.
The shoes? Hey, they're pretty good, I'm not gonna lie. You good?
Hey, took me a lifesaver.
Holy hell.
Look, David, there, like this, look.
Go ahead.
I hope this is muddy.
Let us see it, baby.
Fucking kid.
A little special.
Mmm, how's it taste?
I'm ready to go.
I'm ready.
It's backing down.
David, it's time for the worm, brother.
Oh my god. This.
Do yourself.
You can do your point of view.
I'm waiting for somebody to go. There you go. It was nice knowing you. Oh! That's why you got the helmet. You see where he came up? Yep.
down.
Pencil dive.
Did you touch it? Did you touch the bottom? Did you touch the bottom?
I don't think so.
You went fast. You went down so fast.
I'm scared.
Oh, shit, he's gone.
Here comes Jose. Oh! Damn, he touched the bottom for sure.
Are you good?
You suck right there.
Oh.
Look at your life jacket.
Yeah. Good shit.
That was scary. I thought I was gonna hit the wall. What would you rate it?
Hey, I would rate that one. Look at that. As far as slides, I would say about an 8.5 out of 10.
I think the one before this one was better. This one was deeper, but the other one was
deeper. Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, this one's like a baby one. Crap.
Now you gotta go get in the hole. Get in the hole, baby.
Which way? Hey guys, welcome back.
Welcome back. Awesome.
Lean back.
Damn, Devin. You made it sideways.
That shit got water in my
No,
mouth.
I spun sideways.
Oh shit, here comes Hoser.
Hoser! Hey, let's go, Hose B.
Tidal wave!
Went wild.
Hey, we thought you went back to the ship. Oh my god.
I ain't got a shower. I'm just gonna pour in a shower. Yep. Really good. I don't know why. I don't know why either. That's weird. We didn't walk that much.
Our shoes are gonna be all
We walked
muddy.
way more yesterday. But maybe it was not as bad as this week because we sat home.
Did you like the zip line?
Yeah, zip line.
These rocks fucking suck though.
More than an hour of driving.
Yeah.
More stairs. The cruise ship should be right here. Kinda. It's a little slippery. Hey guys, so we're back on the boat. We just, how many miles did we walk officially? 4 miles. And then now we're at Guy's Burger getting burgers. I got the plain Jane with lettuce. Devin got a double, what did you get? A double what? A double ringer. And then I think Israel did the same thing. Alright guys, make sure to like and subscribe and keep an eye out for day number 7.